Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite. We're here to do some deals for the week of for August 27th through September 2nd. And we have an in-ad booster, which is always exciting. We have a spend 50, get back $10 in bonus cash. We also have one next week, so that's always good. So it is the 30th, and tomorrow is the last day for any bonus cash challenges to be wrapped up so that you can earn extra bonus cash. So I will be finishing a couple of those bonus cash challenges today. Typically my video would be tacked onto Walgreens, but when we have an ad booster, usually we can come up with some good stuff and it needs its own video. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. So let's go inside, guys, and see what we can do. So in our first transaction, we're going to start off with the P&G promotion. The P&G promotion this week is a limit of 2. It is spend 30, get back $10 in bonus cash. And I am sticking with paper products. Typically, I would stick with laundry products because they're the smaller laundry. We've got good coupons, but I'm going with paper because I have bonus cash challenges. So the 6-pack of Bounty is on sale for $15.99. We're going to grab one of those, and the 12-pack of Charmin, those are also included, and they're on sale for $15.99. So for both of those products, it's going to equal out to $31.98. And we have two 50-cent load-to-card coupons. One for the Charmin and one for the Bounty, but I forgot to take screenshots of those, so you're just going to have to use your imagination. So that's going to make your total $30.98. You'll get back $10 in bonus cash, making them $20.98. If you had one of those 5 of 25 coupons, you could use that to lower the cost, but we're using the in-ad booster as well, so they're going to be priced at $20.98 by themselves, but that's not what they're going to cost for us. So we are going to be doing our transaction up to $50 or at $50. So we're going to grab the batteries. The store isn't tagged, but these batteries that are priced at $7.69, they're part of a promotion where you buy 2, you get back $10 in bonus cash. They're buy one, get one 50% off. And the 4 packs of AA are included. So one's going to be $7.69. The other one is going to be $3.85. That'll equal out to $11.54. But you're getting back $10 in bonus cash, making 2 packs just $1.54. And this is a limit of 2. That's why I grabbed 4 packages of batteries. And so since the promotion is spend 50, get back $10 in bonus cash, I am using 2 load-to-card coupons. I really need to be spending $51, and everything that you see here in my cart equals out to $55.06. I will be using those 5 off 25 coupons that I have posted in my community tab as well as my Instagram, and I will have $15.99 for the Bounty and $15.99 for the Charmin count towards a bonus cash challenge that I will be working towards. I really just wanted 2 packs of Charmin because I don't think I would be able to get the Bounty bonus cash challenge. So we will be doing another transaction because I totally forgot I had that $9 Catalina coupon that printed for me 2 weeks ago, and that is expiring today. And so we're going to grab 2 of the Charmin at a different store. Same price, same sale. Because it is a limit of 2, we can do this again on the same account. I'm grabbing 2 of the red this time, but I need to be at a little bit higher cost of products. So I'm going to go for the Sundown vitamins. The Sundown vitamins are buy one, get one free, and they're spend 30, get back $10 in bonus cash. So the ones that are not free have to equal out to $30. And depending on the kind that you get, that'll be about 6 bottles of vitamins unless you go for the really, really expensive ones. But I suggest getting the cheaper ones because we have a really good Ibotta rebate. So these are the vitamins that I grabbed. The B12 gummies are priced at $11.99 and the vitamin C gummies are priced at $9.29. So that's going to make my total $30.57 for all of the vitamins. I don't have any coupons for these. So then you're going to get back $10 in bonus cash for getting the 6 of them, but then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. There's an Ibotta rebate for $4 back on each one with a limit of 5, so you're going to get back $20 in cash on Ibotta. Plus there's a $5 bonus for redeeming an offer 3 times, and it can be mix and match, so you're going to get back another $5. So that's going to make these all free and a $4.43 moneymaker, which is amazing. So that's everything I'm grabbing in the second transaction. So for the toilet paper and the vitamins, my total is $62.55. And here's why. I am using this $9 Catalina coupon that I got 2 weeks ago from getting the VitaFusion on clearance. I had to call in some reinforcements on how to use this because I wasn't exactly sure. So this is $9 off of your next purchase, but of course your purchase has to be $9. So it's like a $9 threshold coupon. So if I'm using both of those 5 off 25 coupons, I have to spend $50 to use them both. Now if I'm going to use this with it, I have to spend $59 to use it. So that's why my total is at $62. So thank you, Jody. I texted her asking her that because I had no idea. I didn't know if it would just take $9 off or if it was going to mess with the threshold coupons. So that's how it's going to work. So like I said, my total is going to be $62.55. I have those 5 off 25s, which will take off $10, and this $9 coupon that'll make my total $43.55. I'll get back $10 in bonus cash from the booster, $10 from the Sundown, and $10 from the Charmin. I'll also get back another $10 for reaching my bonus cash challenge for the Charmin, and that will make my total $3.55. But then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta and get back another $25 in cold hard cash for the Sundown vitamins, making everything here free and a $21.45 moneymaker. So that's everything. Let's go out to the car, take a look at the receipts, and see how everything went, and see how my first transaction went too. All right, guys, so we are back in from Rite Aid, and I seen the news on Instagram that Rite Aid filed for bankruptcy. And I know a lot of times companies file for bankruptcy and they're totally fine. It's a business decision that they do to help them out type of thing. That's what I've heard. So anyways, I hope I'm not the one bankrupting them or others like me. I really hope it's not, because yeah, I know like when we have a bonus cash challenge, we're getting bonus cash, but that's from the manufacturer and they get the money back from our coupons. So they shouldn't be taking a huge loss on couponing, but anyways, that's another discussion for another day. So in the first transaction, I did the Bounty, the Charmin, and the Duracell. I had 2 50-cent loaded card coupons for the Charmin and 1 for the Bounty, and I forgot to take pictures of those. I typically don't even clip those little coupons, but I thought, why not? And then I had a 5 off 25 coupon that I used that was a vaccine coupon, and then another 5 off 25 that actually expires on the 31st. So, yeah, you will only be able to use that today and tomorrow. But we've been getting coupons cycling through like that, so we might get another one, so not all is lost. But here is my receipt for those 2 $5 coupons, 1 there and 1 there. So my total was $44.04. I got back $40 in bonus cash, 20 for the Duracell, 10 for the booster, and then 10 for the Charmin and the Bounty. I also got back $10 from the bonus cash challenge for hitting my visits. The 9th visit, that'll go to my account tomorrow. So I actually was able to do that. And I do want to mention that I did go to Rite Aid yesterday, and I wanted to do a visit because I needed 2 visits actually. So what I did is I just grabbed some 5-hour energy drinks. It cost me nothing out of pocket because I used $20 in bonus cash to pay, and I got $20 back. So good there. And then I got back 550 points, which equals out to $1.10, and that makes my transaction free and a $7.06 moneymaker. Not bad at all. And I did have to use a little bit of cash out of pocket for that transaction because I was actually kind of low in bonus cash for that account. So then on the next transaction, I did the Sundown vitamins, and then I did the Charmin. So glad the store had 2 Charmins. And so I was able to actually fulfill the whole thing of my bonus cash challenge. In case they only had 1, I would have met the first tier, but they had 2, so I was able to meet the second tier as well. So with this transaction, I had those 5 off 25 coupons again. I just tell them I have some coupons for my email, and then I had that $9 coupon. So here's 5, 5, and 9. So then that brought my total to $43.55. I got back $30 in bonus cash, 10 for the Charmin, 10 for the Sundown vitamins, and then 10 for the booster. And that time I used the website booster. I'll get back $10 in bonus cash for the Charmin. I'll get back $25 on Ibotta, 20 for the Sundown vitamins because there's a $4 offer there and the limit is 5, and I got 6 items, so I'll get back 5, the limit of 5 for $20. But there's also a bonus. So the bonus is for $5, and you have to look at the list of offers and you just have to redeem 3 of them, and it don't have to be 3 unique offers. So you should get back a $5 bonus there. And then I got back 626 points, which equals out to $1.25. So that makes that transaction free and a $22.70 moneymaker. My Lanta. So everything that I got today, and that includes 3 big packs of Charmin and a package of 6-pack of Bounty, plus batteries and a bunch of vitamin C vitamins. That makes everything free and a $29.76 moneymaker. $29.76 moneymaker. And what's really great is the cash that I put out to do these transactions, I'm getting back on Ibotta. So it's a win-win-win-win-win. Super, super happy. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today for Rite Aid. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. And I hope to have a Walmart video out later on in the week. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you all later. Bye, guys.